Put a napkin on your pots and pans, and they'll look brand new again. You won't believe how simple this is until you see it yourself. With this easy method, you can bring back the shine to your favorite pans without scrubbing for hours or buying any special products. It's one of those clever DIY home tricks that truly make a difference in the kitchen. Take a close look at that pan covered with burnt grease and stubborn residue. Don't worry, we're going to handle it step by step. First, sprinkle 1 full tablespoon of baking soda directly on the surface. This common ingredient is a gentle abrasive that helps loosen the toughest stains. Next, pour some vinegar over the baking soda. The moment the two touch, they start fizzing and bubbling, breaking down layers of grease and burnt food right before your eyes. Now, take a paper napkin or soft kitchen towel and cover the entire surface of the pan. Once it's covered, add another small amount of vinegar on top of the napkin to keep it moist. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. During this time, the chemical reaction continues working underneath, lifting all that stubborn grime. It's fascinating how such a simple do-it-yourself cleaning trick works better than most store-bought cleaners. After the waiting time, remove the napkin and add 1 tablespoon of dish soap followed by 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. The toothpaste adds a polishing effect that helps restore that mirror-like shine we all love. Mix the ingredients well on the pan, using circular motions to create a gentle cleaning paste. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how far these DIY tips travel. The best thing about this trick is that everything you need is already in your home. Grab a stainless steel scouring pad and start gently scrubbing. You'll see the burnt grease disappear almost instantly, leaving your pan clean and shiny once again. This method works not only for pots and pans but also for sinks, stovetops, and even extractor fans. It's truly one of those magical home tricks that save time, effort, and money. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I always love reading your results and feedback. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Until the next tip, my friends, God bless you all. Bring your old pots and pans back to life with this powerful DIY cleaning method. Using simple home tricks and do-it-yourself ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, and toothpaste, you can restore shine and remove burnt grease in minutes. Try it today and watch your kitchenware look brand new again.